You recognizing the brand doesn't give you an idea what it is?
Well, it makes me assume it's something American for an American car.
I mean, I did tell you to bring a specific vehicle today.
What is this?
Oh, I know what it is.
Oh, yo!
Yeah.
Wait, that's sick! Welcome back, everybody. It's been an interesting past couple of days, to say the least. And before we dive into today's video, I figured we do address the current elephant in the room as of what happened to my main UltraMotive channel the past couple days. And it indeed did get hijacked. It got hijacked by a group that's actually been going around the past year or several months and been doing the same sort of hijacking on a lot of other content creators' channels by pretty much completely taking over their channel, privating everything, and then converting it into some Tesla channel, to which then streams and tries to scam people with links to a crypto website. I saw this happen to my buddy Birdie Kings Must Rise. When I woke up and I heard the news that it happened to mine, it completely stressed me out. However, I did kind of know where to start. I knew that there's a chance that all the content is still there, and I immediately reached out to Birdie, or he made an entire video on what happened to him, and I kind of watched through it and immediately was able to know the steps to kind of take to retrieving the channel. So I sent out a tweet to Team YouTube. They DM'd me, and then they shifted that over to an email thread to which we were going over ways of recovery. Now, I gotta be honest, I wish it could have been done quicker. YouTube support, and you know, it works. They got it back, so I thank them for that. But at the same time, it took a while and it felt very non-direct. They got back to me immediately on being aware that my account was hijacked. However, they left the live stream account up for over 24 hours, which as that was up, obviously I was losing subscribers, and it's also just a scam of a live stream that just existed on the platform for that long of a time period. So who knows what other people that could have affected and how much money that could have been lost. But then about a day and a half later, I got my account stuff back, and I was working towards unprivating everything and kind of rebuilding the channel, when yet again they completely just terminated it for what was another over 24 hours for reasons I have no idea. I don't know if it was basically a delay on their end, that they were supposed to terminate it earlier from the hijacking, and then they just gave it back, and maybe there were multiple account recovery requests that pretty much prompted it to terminate it multiple times. So instead of this being all said and done in a day and a half, this has been about 3 or 4 days now. So yeah, it's been stressful. I'm the type of person that even if people confirm that everything is gonna work out and be okay, I am only going to continue on all fine once everything is over with and I have the channel and the keys like in my hand. If anyone you know happened to unsubscribe because you saw a strange Tesla account in your subscriptions feed, tell them to subscribe back if they are still interested in my content. But other than that, I'm still motivated to continue pushing out content and rebuilding. So with that all said, let's get into today's video. Mike and Dustin got me this gift right here. I've never gotten something that's straight up, I mean, it appears to be a car part because it's from CJ Pony Parts, so.
I haven't opened it yet.
Dude, I don't know what this is gonna be. He took it out of the car, I literally asked him, I was like, is it actually from CJ Pony Parts?
Yeah, I know. That's
You recognizing the brand doesn't give you an idea what it is?
Well, it makes me assume it's something American for an American car.
I mean, I did tell you to bring a specific vehicle today.
What is this?
Oh, I know what it is.
Oh, yo!
Yeah.
Wait, that's sick!
Yes, sir.
No way. Dude, that's actually the last thing I realized. I was like, okay, if they got me car parts for any of the cars, it could be like any of the 4 automobiles. I did not expect that my truck could have used something, but it always came. It's funny because, yeah, there's no photo, but by the size of these and by it saying LED lights, I know exactly what it is.
These are like my favorite things for Raptors, and so the fact that you didn't have it yet, I was like, he needs to have this.
Okay, so there's gonna be 2 in each? Because, yeah, I assume there's gotta be a total of 6.
Yes, there should be a total of 6.
So
Yeah,
2 for the back and then 4.
No,
No,
so in the Raptor, there's like literally
Yeah,
an
little
OEM like holes, and they fit like 3 of them in the front bumper.
Oh,
so,
wow.
so yeah, there's 2 in each of these boxes. So there's gonna be like 3 here and then 3 over there. Thank you so much. This is so cool because this is probably the most like useful gift that like you get like kind gestures where it's like something cool you get to like admire, like hang up, or like something that you could wear every now and then. This is something that like I genuinely am now stoked to have on my truck. So we got Bigfoot in the driveway, prepared for some LED lights that are gonna fit right in here. It's funny, Ford is literally like, we're not gonna put in the lights for you guys, probably for some government legal reason on them being bright or just having too many lights up front. But they are like, we're gonna give you the holes, that way you guys can do it yourself. And there's even, I believe, yeah, there's a little bracket right here where they can mount to. So Ford prepares us for it. The lights are all set up over here on my makeshift pink table. I'm gonna try and do this myself. Now, this should be somewhat easy, but it involves things that I'm not very familiar with, like wiring. So, I don't know, we'll see. For now, while the lights aren't in here, they provide a really convenient stepping point to get way up in this tall engine bay. So we got them boys fully installed and mounted, and you guys may notice that we've also teleported to a whole different house. We're here at Tom's place because he is gonna be my wiring expert. Am I right?
Electrician man.
Yeah. Now we have to solder these wires together to the Ford auxiliary wiring. And basically, what's cool about these trucks is that they already have switches inside that once you connect those wires together, I'll be able to easily just flick these lights on. Oh, it's on.
Can you
This
see?
is freaking beautiful. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna look in there. But yeah, you get to see how perfectly caked this engine bay is with all the freaking dust from off-roading it.
Oh, I see my spaghetti over there.
Yeah, so this is what we're working with here.
Oh, it's like a treat.
We are securing the rat's nest. Locking it in, grounding it to the car. So,
Well,
should we
sir, if you
test
want.
it out?
You want me to hold it for you?
Sure. And boom.
Let's go!
All of them. So because the Gen 2s, I mean, I don't know if the freaking Gen 1 Raptors have these, but you got all your switches right up here. So I could be in airplane mode now and just do my pre-flight checks and just boom, flip that on, and everything is now wired to that one switch. We still have freaking 5 more to go.
6 more lights.
Yeah. Someone out there has it, I guarantee it. Now we gotta clean all this. We have a lot of excess wires here.
Yeah. Cut to.
Nothing some tape and zip ties can't fix.
Dude, they are so bright. We don't even have the main projector lights on right now. And these things, just look at how much white light is being projected into the house.
That's a lot of light.
Dude, yeah, just for lower fog lights. These aren't even fog lights, these are like lower brights.
Like, look at it from back here, dude. It's nuts.
Holy crap.
Like, off, on.
Yeah, you would think those are just your high beams or something at that point.
Yeah, there's your high beams.
Yeah, oh my god. We blinding people on the way home tonight. So conveniently leaving Tom's place, he's out in the sticks, so there is complete utter darkness all around me. This is just purely my regular running lights right now. And let's just flick on the big boys. I can't believe these are fog lights. This is literally the freaking sun just in lower bumper mount fog lights. That is ridiculous. Shout out Mike and Dustin for the dope birthday present. I am loving it. So what I think I might do is order some yellow amber vinyl. That'll just like, I'm gonna just cover the lower fog lights with that. That way they're essentially just yellow fog lights and they don't blind people and they also just look cooler at night. I love cars that have amber fog lights, so you know that they're enthusiasts. But great success.